A carbide burr tool plays a critical role in tool and die work by allowing machinists and toolmakers to refine tight tolerance edges on hardened materials with a high degree of accuracy and control. In the manufacturing of dies, molds, punches, and precision tooling, components are often heat-treated to achieve exceptional hardness and wear resistance, making them difficult to modify using conventional cutting tools once the hardening process is complete. A carbide burr, constructed from extremely hard tungsten carbide, is capable of cutting and shaping these hardened steels while maintaining its sharp cutting edges under demanding conditions. When mounted in a high-speed die grinder or rotary tool, the carbide burr enables the operator to carefully remove minute amounts of material from critical edges, corners, and contours without affecting nearby surfaces that must remain within strict dimensional tolerances. This precision is especially important in tool and die applications where even a small deviation can impact part quality, assembly fit, or production performance. Toolmakers frequently use carbide burrs to blend machined surfaces, remove microscopic burrs, refine cutting edges, and correct minor imperfections that may remain after grinding, EDM processing, or heat treatment. The tool's ability to access narrow slots, deep cavities, and intricate geometries makes it invaluable for finishing operations that larger grinding wheels or milling cutters cannot easily perform. Different burr profiles allow for both aggressive stock removal and delicate detail work, giving the operator complete control over the final shape and surface finish. By enabling precise material removal on hardened tool steels without excessive heat generation or rapid tool wear, a carbide burr tool helps ensure that dies, molds, and precision tooling meet the exact specifications required for consistent, high-quality manufacturing performance and long service life.
Thanks for watching. If you're looking for high-quality American-made carbide burr tools that are built to cut faster, last longer, and help you get the job done right, visit our website today. We keep our American-made carbide burr tools in stock and ready to ship, with same-day shipping available on orders placed before our daily cutoff time. Whether you're working on metal fabrication, porting, welding, automotive projects, or precision grinding, we've got the carbide burr you need. Visit our website and order yours today.